figure out what's going on with the market activity. Todd, good to visit with you here today. Thanks for coming aboard. And as we look at the corn market, it's kind of weak in the knees today. How come?
Hi, Marlon. Well, I think we're going lower here, Marlon. I think we had a great move. Listen, we had a great move off of the Plagas Prairie Report from 347 to 390 approximately. We had a little bit of a sell-off on Friday. Yesterday was kind of choppy with a little bit around to the upside, some news. And today I think we're going to see a little bit of a pullback. I still like this space. I've been positive in the grains for the last number of months. But I think now, based on a technical spot, we need to see a little bit of selling. I wouldn't be surprised and would welcome a little bit of selling because I think it'll build a stronger base. Plus the fact that now you're waiting again, believe it or not, that Janet Yellen, the Fed, still has the grain markets hostage as well, because that will depend what's going to happen with the dollar. So when we see the overall picture, it's really no surprise that we're seeing a little bit of a softer market right here because of everything that's going on around the markets, not only in the market.
All right, looking at the dollar right now, it is down, excuse me, 430 points on the June contract, so a significant loss again, 94.380 at last check. Crude oil, we'll take a look at that as well here, Todd, just because it is tied to the corn. Wow, it's up 78 cents right now on West Texas crude, priced at 43.42 per barrel. Quick check of our soybean trade here on the futures. We'll run through these. We have the made now just a half cent higher at $10.25 cents. New crop November up a penny and a quarter at $9.99, just under the $10 benchmark. On the wheat, in Chicago wheat, we have July now trading just a half cent lower at $4.7725. Meanwhile, in that Kansas City market, again, I'll remind you, we have that wheat quality tour heading out into the plains next week. We'll get a good idea of the potential crop production at that time. July KC wheat down 3.5 cents right now at $4.7025. That's about in the middle of the trading range. Minneapolis wheat, we have July there down, or excuse me, up a penny and a quarter at 538.75. Cotton market right now has July currently trading at 63.78, backed off quite a bit. Now we're down 26 points. That's a look at our grain markets and crop markets. We'll come back and talk livestock with Todd Horwitz in just 1 minute. Don't go anywhere.